Did you bring the device? Oh, me personally?
I miss hearing your voice, all the words that you said to me.
We're on the same side.
Oh, yeah?
But now this empty space fills me up and takes over me, and I can't escape it. It always keeps coming back, the sound of missing you. I hear it all around, the sound of missing you. Silence is so loud, the sound of missing you.
Listen up. You do not come into my town, threaten people I care about, going after Elena. Bad move. You leave her alone or I will rip you to bits, because I do believe in killing the messenger.